Bushwhack, first time, tech trail. I took this line, different line than Joe. Okay, taking the right line.
There's like a lot of different line choices.
Yeah, I see that. We were taking different lines already.
Sorry, brother. No problem.
Yep.
Yeah, you can like pick your line choices. Some are harder than others. So probably follow who you want.
Yeah. You're gonna go right. I'm gonna go left.
So this is part 2 in a series of videos with me and Bruiser Bikes riding down Mountain Creek on our hardtails. This will show us riding the blue tech trails.
That must be a cheater line.
They really aren't too bad. It's because they're not unrelenting. You could usually finish them in like a minute or a minute and a half. You will see in some videos that I will be on his Norco. You can tell by the black handlebars versus my gold Rentals.
Yeah, that's a quick one. With water boy. I think water boy's gotta be my favorite trail here.
Even on the hardtail? Yeah. Damn.
Mountain Creek actually has a reputation for their tech trails to be very gnarly. Blues would be considered blacks on other trails, but like I said, because they're not that long, you can kind of deal with it.
That wasn't too bad, actually.
See my foot fly off and get dragged under?
Ooh, that one, the seat fucked me in my nuts. Oh, the second, I didn't see that ledge on that side. Ooh, foot came off the pedals on that one. Yeah. Oh, that's the one yeah, it looks like nothing in the videos.
Yeah, it's fine on a foot.
Water boy, I'm gonna try to do that wooden roller drop thing. Bruiser bike, you go since you know the area. You dipped off of that, which I wasn't gonna do. That was out of control. My legs are tired. That was very marbly. You made it up. Barely cleared that one. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Clear the first try.
Our way down.
Yep. Frog pond.
I'm gonna keep these off because I actually can't see them.
In the shade over there, right? All right, let's go. What's already came off justice.
So this concludes part 2 of the series. The next video will be us swapping bikes on the flow trails, and I will be giving my impression of how the steel Norco hardtail rides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.